Okay, so we're going to be doing problem 80 in chapter 3-4, exponential logarithmic equations. The question right now is telling us that a chain of retail computer stores opened 2 stores in its first year of operation. After 8 years of operation, the chain consisted of 206 stores. Write a continuous exponential equation to model the number of stores n as a function of year of operation t and round k to the nearest hundredth. So first we need to understand what a continuous exponential equation is. So usually that model would be p equals to p initial e to the power of rt. T will be the periods, r is the rate, p with a little o at the bottom is the p, which is the initial amount, and the final p over here is the final amount. So according to the question, it asks for us to model it using n as a function, n as a number of stores, and t as a function, t as a year of operations. So it will look like this. Basically just replacing the variables with different variables. And then t will be t minus 1 because the first year has already happened. Right? So now they want us to, now the second part of this question asks us to solve for k. Right? So we can use the existing information we have in this question to do that. So we just replace the final amount with 206 as seen over here. And then we can see that after only 1 year, 2 stores opened. So we know that the first amount, the initial amount is 2. And then we put e, and then we put it to the power of k, parentheses, and now this should be the t, right? And the t will be 8 because it opened for 8 years, and then minus 1. So doing that will give us, so solving that and then reducing it, we get 103, because we divided this, equals to e to the power of 7 from here, k. So let me erase this really quick. So from there, we had 103 equals to e to the power of 7k. So that means that k will equal to ln 103. Well, it was 7k, and then so we take out the 7. We divide this by 7 now. And then plugging that into the calculator, ln 103 over 7, k will approximately be equal to 0.66. So that's your answer for part A, 0.66. Now we use this information to answer the question B, which says use the model found in part A to predict the number of stores in the 12th year of operation. So if you can remember, the model will be the same continuous exponential model we used in part A, except this time we now know k, which is k equals 0.66, right? So writing that equation again, we get n equals to 2e to the power of 0.66 parentheses t minus 1, right? So now we want to know the 12th year of operation. So we want to replace t with 12 minus 1, right? And then so we'll get 0.66 times 11. Let me plug that into the calculator. You get 7.26. So the final answer will be 2 times e to the power of 7.26. Plugging this into the calculator, you'll get the value of around 2,844. So in 12 years, by the 12th year, there will be 2,844 stores open in this retail of computer stores. Thank you for listening.